Hey everybody, hope you guys are doing well today. Just getting my vlog started. Keith has some solar Halloween lights. I'm gonna put them out in his front yard here. He said I could decorate them. Keith and Deb are just hanging out inside watching some YouTube. It's kind of cloudy out today, as you guys can see. But yeah, I'm gonna put these in his front yard here and do some decorating. Yeah, he's got kind of a variety. He's got an eyeball, couple skulls, and a pumpkin, so these will be nice. But they probably won't be getting much sun today unless the clouds clear up. But still, want to put them out in his yard, and he said I could put them out here and decorate. Give me something to do on my vlog here to start with. I'm going to put the pumpkin one right here. Let's put the eyeball light right here. Let's put one of the skulls here. And let's put the other skull right here. Hey, I got them all placed. There, 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 and there. I think it looks pretty good. God bless. Hey everybody, Keith, Deb, and I are gonna run up to Dollar Tree. It's kind of sprinkling out. I hope it really rains, but again, if it really rains, I'll believe it when I see it. But as you guys can see, we are getting a few sprinkles, so hopefully it keeps it up. Well, Keith, are you inspired today?
I'm always inspired.
Not by Starbucks, though.
By
Starbucks? How was that?
Starbucks or McDonald's.
Hey everybody, we made it over here to Dollar Tree. Get the door for you, Deb.
Thank you.
Go, good sir. Keith, I got something for you.
Hey, Tristan.
Look, you're peachy. Keep going.
Keep going.
Keith, are you lucky?
I'm always lucky.
Peace. Here, Keith, you should rip it. We are laughing so hard right now. I'm crying. I couldn't even make that clip.
Do the monster mash.
Here's some spicy sticks, chili, and lime.
Spicy.
These are Zaps.
Some tropical fruit.
We are having too much fun, everybody. I know what Keith needs in his life. He needs Starbucks.
Oh my god.
I'm getting a freaking Starbucks.
Put it in the car.
I didn't put it in there,
Put
babe.
that Starbucks in there, your body.
Yeah.
Oh, giving you crap, Keith. Hey, Keith, here's some muscles.
Pull it.
Muscles. Flex on them, Keith. Yeah. Hey, everybody. Keith and I and Deb are at Walmart. Just wanted to show you this. Halloween tortilla chips. Pretty cool. Hey, everybody. Just wanted to get you an update. I'm back home now. Keith and Deb also came over, but we're actually getting some rain. So I'm going to put you guys right here, and I hope you guys enjoy the rain.
Give me
Vlogging a vlogger vlogging why it's raining. It's raining. I can't believe it. Can you?
I'm loving it.
Yeah, I'm loving it. This is pretty cool.
This is better than McDonald's 100
Hey everybody, just wanted to get you a look at the radar here. Some of the rain that we're getting. I'm just loving it, Keith. Pretty cool.
Yeah, this is good.
What'd you say?
That's later tonight at 10 o'clock.
If it don't disperse,
If it
the
don't
Woodward
disperse.
split. But yeah, you should screenshot that for your vlog. Pretty cool. Oh, Keith, did you enjoy that rain? I really did.
I did. I really liked it.
Hey everybody, I got my plate made here. Got some ribs, a potato, corn, a hot link, and some smoked sausage. Just wanted to get you an update. Hey everybody, the dinner was really good. What'd you think, Deb?
Very, very good.
Oh, Keith, it's still raining outside. Can you believe it?
Yeah, it looks like it's going to rain for quite a while.
Hey everybody, what a beautiful evening it's turned out to be. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's definitely not hot by any means. It's been raining off and on. We definitely needed the rain. I'm so glad to see it. Keith and Deb and my sister and Anthony just left a few minutes ago, and I think I want to wrap up my video here. It was a great day. Really good day. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Definitely enjoyed the rain. Like I said, I love rain, and yep, still raining on and off, and it can do that all night, so no problem with me. But anyways, God bless you guys. Peace be with you.